Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Guidance Class. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. It's nice to be here again with you.
And thank you to all our listeners for joining us. We're so happy you're here.
Yes, thank you. Today, we're going to talk about something super simple but useful.
That's right. We are going to talk about daily routines, the things we do every day, morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Exactly. And this is perfect for beginners because you will learn many basic verbs and vocabulary.
Exactly. And remember, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, it really helps us. And we love hearing from you. So leave us a comment and tell us about your daily routine.
Okay, Leo. Are you ready to talk about our day?
Absolutely, Maya. Let's start with the morning. What do you usually do in the morning?
Well, the first thing I do is wake up.
Wake up. That's the beginning of the day. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
I sometimes wake up a little earlier, around 6:30. After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Get out of bed. That's a very useful phrase.
Yes, it is. After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom.
I do the same. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Brush my teeth and wash my face. These are very common actions in the morning.
Exactly. After that, I sometimes take a shower.
Take a shower. Good phrase. I also sometimes take a shower in the morning.
After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen.
And what do you do in the kitchen?
I usually make breakfast.
Make breakfast. That's another very common phrase. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I often have coffee and bread with butter. Sometimes I eat fruit too, like an apple or a banana.
Coffee, bread, and fruit. Simple and delicious. I usually drink tea and eat cereal.
Nice. After breakfast, I get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on clothes.
Yes, that's right. I choose my clothes and put them on.
After I get dressed, I put on my shoes.
Put on my shoes. Another good phrase.
And then I usually leave the house.
Leave the house. Where do you go when you leave the house in the morning?
I usually go to work. I work in an office.
I sometimes work from home, but many days I also go to an office.
Interesting. So, Maya, what about your morning routine? Can you tell us step by step?
Sure. I wake up around 7. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes take a shower. Then I go to the kitchen, make breakfast, and eat. After breakfast, I get dressed, put on my shoes, and leave the house.
That's a great morning routine. And look at all the useful verbs we just used. Wake up, get out of bed, go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, go to the kitchen, make breakfast, eat breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house.
Yes, these are very important verbs for beginners.
Now let's talk about the afternoon. What do you usually do at work, Maya?
At work, I usually sit at my desk and use my computer.
Sit at my desk. Use my computer. Good phrases.
I answer emails and write reports.
answer emails, and write reports. Very useful for many people.
Sometimes I also have meetings with my colleagues.
Have meetings. That's another common phrase.
Yes. And what about you, Leo?
If I work from home, I also sit at my desk and work on my computer. I might write notes or prepare lessons. Sometimes I have online meetings.
Write notes. Prepare lessons. Online meetings. Good examples.
Around lunchtime, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I often have rice with vegetables or sometimes a sandwich.
Rice, vegetables, sandwich. Nice. I usually eat salad or sometimes pasta.
Sounds healthy. After lunch, I go back to work.
Yes, me too. I usually work until about 5 o'clock.
After work, I go home.
Go home. That's another common phrase. What do you do when you get home?
Well, sometimes I relax on the sofa and watch TV.
Relax on the sofa. Watch TV. Very common evening activities.
Yes. Sometimes I also listen to music.
Listen to music. I like that too.
And sometimes I cook dinner.
Cook dinner. What do you usually cook?
I often cook pasta or soup.
Delicious. I usually cook rice and vegetables. Sometimes I try new recipes.
That's fun. After dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I often wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. Not my favorite job.
Me neither, but it has to be done. Sometimes after dishes, I read a book or talk to my family.
Read a book. Talk to my family. Good evening activities.
Yes. What about you, Leo?
In the evening, I sometimes go for a walk.
Go for a walk? That's good exercise.
Yes, or I might watch a short video online.
That's fun too. Before bed, what do you do?
I usually brush my teeth again.
Brush my teeth. Good habit.
Then I go to bed.
Go to bed. What time do you usually go to bed, Leo?
Around 10:30 or 11 o'clock.
I usually go to bed a little later, around 11:30.
So let's summarize our daily routine. Morning. Wake up. Wash. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Get dressed. Leave the house. Afternoon. Go to work. Sit at the desk. Answer emails. Write reports. Have lunch. Continue work. Evening. Go home. Relax. Cook dinner. Wash dishes. Read. Talk. Go for a walk. Listen to music. Night. Brush teeth and go to bed.
That's a complete day, full of useful verbs and phrases.
Let's quickly review some of them. Wake up. Get out of bed. Brush teeth. Wash face. Take a shower. Make breakfast. Eat. Drink. Get dressed. Leave the house. Sit at a desk. Use a computer. Answer emails. Write reports. Have meetings. Have lunch. Go home. Relax. Watch TV. Cook dinner. Wash dishes. Read a book. Talk to family. Go for a walk. Listen to music. Go to bed.
That's a fantastic list, Leo.
Yes, and remember, listeners, you can use these words to talk about your own day.
Try to say your daily routine in English from morning until night.
You can even write it down. Writing helps you remember.
Don't worry if you don't know all the words yet. You will learn more step by step.
English takes time, but practice makes you better every day.
Yes, be patient and celebrate small progress.
Well, that's all for today.
Yes, it was fun talking about our daily routines.
And thank you, listeners, for being here.
Please subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
And share this with your friends who are learning English too.
Leave us a comment. Tell us, what do you do in your daily routine?
We love reading your comments.
Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.